Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer form submissions from Typeform to Notion step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Typeform account. Locate the form from which you want to transfer submissions. Click on the form to open its settings. Navigate to the Connect tab found on the left sidebar. Search for and select the integration option for Notion. You may need to authorize Typeform to connect with your Notion account. Follow the prompts to grant Typeform access to your Notion workspace. Once authorized, select the specific database in Notion where you want to send the submissions. Map the fields from your Typeform to the corresponding columns in your Notion database. Ensure that all necessary data fields are correctly matched. You might want to enable automatic transfers for every new submission. Review the settings to confirm the information is accurate. Test the integration by submitting a test response via your Typeform. Check your Notion database to verify that the test submission appears correctly. If everything works as intended, you're ready to begin using the integration actively. Take note of any limits or quota restrictions that may apply to your integration. You have successfully set up the transfer of form submissions from Typeform to Notion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.